Have you ever wondered how power and culture intertwine in the political arena? Let's dive into the complex world of political theory, starting with the ideas of Antonio Gramsci, a key figure in Marxist thought who introduced a novel approach to understanding power. Kicking off with his most significant contribution, Gramsci developed the theory of hegemony. This concept challenged the traditional Marxist view, shifting the focus from mere economic structures and class struggle to the role of culture, ideology, and most importantly, consent in the maintenance of power. Hegemony, as Gramsci saw it, is a process where the ruling class shapes the cultural and ideological landscape to secure the passive consent of the subordinate groups. Now, this doesn't mean Gramsci disregarded the role of force or economic coercion. Quite the opposite. He recognized these elements, but argued that consent is equally, if not more, crucial in maintaining dominance. Consent, as he saw it, was not naturally given, but actively manufactured through cultural institutions, media, education, religion, and other socialization channels. This crafted common sense makes the ideological hegemony of the ruling class seem in the best interest of society, even when it primarily benefits the elite. This hegemonic control, Gramsci argued, is what impedes the working class from organizing effective resistance to the status quo. Taking this a step further, Gramsci identified the critical role of intellectuals in the formation and maintenance of hegemony. But his definition of intellectuals was broader than the traditional sense. He distinguished between traditional intellectuals, those who consider themselves above social classes, and organic intellectuals, those tied to specific social classes and play a part in expressing their interests. In Gramsci's view, every class creates its own intellectuals who further its ideas, contributing to the construction of hegemonic power. For instance, the bourgeoisie has philosophers, scientists, educators, and journalists who propagate ideas legitimizing and perpetuating the capitalist system. So to recap, Gramsci's political theory pivots around the concept of hegemony, emphasizing the role of culture, ideology, and consent in the exercise of power. Intellectuals, both traditional and organic, have a vital part in forming and maintaining this hegemony. This interplay between power and culture presents a nuanced understanding of political dynamics, encouraging us to look beyond mere economic structures and see the subtle ways in which power is maintained and perpetuated. Gramsci's insights continue to influence political thought, reminding us that power is not just about force, it's about shaping minds.